learn how to dance, tapping toes in a twirly prance. Shiny laces, tiny tap, quack and shuffle, clap, clap, clap. Hoops go click and feathers sway. Dance with joy the pond-side way. Spin around and stomp the floor. Quack and giggle, one step more. Under moonlight, ribbon bright, duckling jigs through starry night. Friends all gather, paws and beaks, wiggly wiggles, happy squeaks. Flutes go click and feathers sway. Dance with joy the pond-side way. Spin around and stomp the floor. Quack and giggle, one step more. When a breeze begins to play, boots keep beating, lead the way. Leaves join in with a rustle song, dance together all night long. Morning comes with golden light, duck young softly from the night. Boots by pond dreams in a glance, smiling wide, remember the dance. Boots go click, now cuddle tight, dream of dances in the night. Quack and hum and sleep perchance. Good night, duck, sweet boots and dance. Boots go click and feathers sway. Dance with joy the pond-side way. Spin around and stomp the floor. Quack and giggle, one step more. Sing along with kids. Little kitten sneaking in the box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside her fur. They curled up tight without a peep. Two little kittens fast asleep. Catchy. Two little kittens sneaking in a box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside her fur. They curled up tight without a peep. Two little kittens fast asleep. Catchy. Fluffy and fat, wearing a coat like a woolly hat. Nibbling grass in the morning dew, with a ba-ba song just for you. Walk to the meadow, skip to the hill, chasing the breeze so calm and still. Tail like a pom-pom, nose so pink, blinking eyes that softly blink. Clouds above and sheep below, fluffy friends in a gentle row. One lies down, the other's not, curled up close in a cozy lap. White sheep, gentle and sweet, with tiny hooves and dancing feet. When the stars begin to leap, the sheep all sigh and fall asleep. Sun shines so bright, wake us up with golden light. Peek through windows stretched so wide, chase the stars and clouds that hide. Warm the flowers, dry the dew, paint the sky a glowing blue. Giggles bloom in morning air, sunshine sprinkles everywhere. Sun up so high, smiling in the cotton sky. Birds all sing and children play. Thank you, sun, for a brand new day. Sing along with kids. 10 little kittens chasing butterflies, one leapt high, reaching for the skies. 9 little kittens darting left left and right. One got distracted by a bird in flight. 8 little kittens bouncing through the air. One stopped to sniff some daisies fair. 7 little kittens with their paws so quick. One got tangled in a leafy stick. 6 little kittens playing on the run. One rolled over, done with fun. 5 little kittens mewing with delight. One wandered off out of sight. 4 little kittens scampering free. One climbed up a shady tree. 3 little kittens chasing just for fun. One laid down sleepy from the sun. 2 little kittens still giving it a try. One sat down to watch the sky. One little kitten chasing one last wing, then curled up gently in a butterfly ring. Sing along with kids. The train on the track goes choo 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 through the hills and sky so blue. Puffs of smoke go up, up high like cotton clouds in the morning sky. The wheels on the train go clackety clack, rolling fast on the silver track. Over bridges and under trees, whistling loud in the gentle breeze. The bell on the front goes ding 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 as the engine rocks and the children sing. With a toot and a turn, it makes its way through rainbow fields and flowers of May. The train on the track goes zoom zoom zoom, racing the wind with plenty of room. And it slows with a happy sigh, waving goodbye as it passes by. Sing along with kids.
3 little kittens sliding down the slide. Whee! They giggle, enjoying the ride. One spun round and landed with a grin. Then there were 2 ready to begin. 2 little kittens zooming way down. One wore a leaf like a silly crown. One little kitten gave a happy cheer, then climbed back up with a loud meow so clear.
Sing along with kids.
Where, oh, where did the jelly beans go? I had a jar just an hour ago. Red ones bounced and rolled away. Green ones giggled and wouldn't stay. Yellow ones hid behind a shoe. Purple ones slid through some goo. Orange ones danced across the floor, then slipped beneath the candy drawer. I searched the shelf, I checked my hats, even peeked behind the cat. They vanished quick without a sound. Those sneaky sweets can't be found. But look,